Hi, I'm Dr. Sharika Chandran, cosmetic plastic surgeon from SK Hospital, Trivandrum. Patients keep asking me, Doctor, what can I do about these wrinkles on my forehead and the side of my eyes and on my cheeks? A simple Botox injection can smoothen out all your fine lines and wrinkles. So, what is Botox? Botox is basically a toxin produced by a bacterium known as Clostridium botulinum, which, upon injecting into your muscles, will block the action of your muscles and hence will smoothen out any wrinkling on your face. Is the procedure painful? Not really. In fact, we inject these Botox injections with the smallest and minutest needles such that there will be no pain. We also apply a numbing cream before the procedure so that there will be minimum pain or discomfort during the procedure. When will I notice a difference? Basically, in the first 1 to 2 days, you might gradually see the softening of your face, the wrinkles are disappearing, but the better effect will be seen within 1 to 2 weeks. And that will increase and it will be maintained over 3 to 4 months. Is a Botox permanent? No, it is not. The Botox wears off gradually, and with the wearing off of this toxin, your wrinkling and the fine lines will reappear. Hence, you will require to do another injection after 6 to 7 months. Are there any complications in taking Botox injections? Any procedure, there might be complications. But saying so, taking an injection of Botox, the complications are very rare, they are mild, and they are temporary. Hence, it is very important that you go to a well trained and well experienced cosmetic surgeon for your procedure. So, what are the complications? The complications can be there may be mild redness, bruising of your face, there may be lid ptosis or eyebrow ptosis at times, and also sometimes asymmetrical smile. But these complications will reduce over time and it is not permanent. What is the recovery process like? In fact, the Botox injections have zero downtime. And they are also known as the lunchtime procedure because one can actually dash in and dash out of during their lunchtime to get this procedure and head right straight back to work.